What's going on, everybody? Hope everybody's having a good day and a good life and a good all of that good stuff, good stuff, good stuff. Anyways, it's your boy BK Vendo back at it again. Your favorite. I'm alright. Anyways, today I want to do a quick video on installing some new LED headlights because I'm tired of those halogens that just look just yellow and gloomy and sad and So let's get to it. Alright, so first things first is disconnect your air filter. I got a JLT, so I just got to remove this, and then this bolt so we can lift this housing up, and then we'll be able to reach the where the headlight is. And then on this side, if you look in there, it's in the same spot right here. We're just gonna turn that and get the light out. 1 second. There we go. Lift this up for now. Just sit this here. Well, sit this here. Oh, need that to sit there. All right. Back it up. Take that out. Take that off. You gotta put the Michael Jackson glove on, alright?
Let's see you do it. Is that brighter?
Yes.
Okay.
Not supposed to touch them with your bare hands, though.
Sorry.
Grab this. Like that. Seat this inside of there with it. Test the first light.
Yeah, that
Look at
was
the
good.
difference. See that difference? Like night and day.
Yeah, literally. Really couldn't tell, like it was that dim. Yeah, I had a yellow tint to it until you actually got this new one.
Oh no, I knew.
I couldn't tell at all.
Yep.
Oh yeah, major difference.
Boom. Done.
Ta-da!
That's how you do quick headlight install. A lot quicker than taking that front bumper off. A lot quicker than trying to get up under there from the front fenders. It's just a lot more efficient, quicker way. So if you didn't know, now you know. Big shouts out to Mars Auto Lighting for the lights.
Okay.
Bada bing, bada boom.
Ooh.
We out here looking good. Yes.
I know that's right.
So yeah, make sure you hit that like, subscribe, leave a comment if you have any questions, or if you've seen something that you would have did differently, let me know. That way I can learn. And yo, peace.